You dog.
All right. Oh my goodness. I need to wake up. Okay. So I just woke up from a little bit of a nap and I wanted to put out a video today and I was wondering what I could do. And I thought of a cool challenge. So I know that you guys have seen that Aspen can do quite a few tricks, but I thought I would challenge her today and see if maybe we can get a trick down that's really complicated in one day, show you guys the entire process from start to finish, and you can see right now, I mean, she's sleeping. Are you sleeping? You were chewing your leg there. That scared me. I thought she was having a seizure.
But yeah, we're going to try to do a trick. What do you think? We're going to try to do a trick. You want treats? Aspen? Would you like treats?
So what we're going to try, oh, there we go. I think what we're going to try to do is teach her how to get a drink out of the fridge. I don't know if we can do that, but I'm gonna try. What do you think? I think you're smart enough.
I think you're smart enough.
Okay, let's do it. All right, so we're gonna get our treats ready, and I am currently getting her very interested in what I'm gonna be tying onto the door of the fridge. Yes.
Let's try again. Ready? Come on. Good girl. Yay! Yay!
So, am I in focus? Woo, I've been running. So far it's been going good. So we've got her to open the door, and I'm getting her to jump in. So we're gonna show you that part. Should we? Abby, should we? Can I have kisses? Aw, thank you, honey.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Alright. Reach, 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 reach. Good girl! Up, up, up.
Good job! Good job! Good girl! Yeah, good girl! Mwah. Good girl! What my good girl? Good girl!
Alright, hopefully it's focusing. Oh, look at her, she's so excited. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and hopefully she'll go for it because water bottles are her favorite thing. Look at her. Oh really? You want it? Are you sure? Alright, so we're gonna put it in the fridge. See if we can do this. Okay. Let's see, where should I put it? I don't know if it'll stay. Maybe if I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get this in there. Here, get rid of all of that. There we go. See if she grabs that.
Ready? Good girl!
There, hopefully that'll stay a little bit better. The bottle was falling out of the fridge. Okay, come on. Here, you do get treats for opening the fridge. Good girl. Fridge, fridge. Oh, no, fridge, fridge.
Pull, 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 pull. Get it. Get it. Up. What's that? Up there. Up. What's that? Get it.
Yay! Yay! Yay, honey, you did it all by yourself. You did it all by yourself. Aspen, you're destroying it? Is that your reward? Okay, don't worry. I'll take it away from her before she hurts herself with it. But yeah, so that's how far we've gotten. We've been doing it for about an hour. Aspen, Appy, Appy, you're making a lot of noise. Hey, you stop right when I put the camera on you, but right when I put the camera on me, are you gonna start? Yeah? After I stop talking to her, she's gonna start. So yeah, so we got that far, and I'll just have to teach her to bring the drink to me and to not chew on it like she's doing right now. But I'm very happy with what Aspen, shh. I'm very happy with what she accomplished today. Appy, are you gonna say goodbye to them? So we're gonna say goodbye to you for now, and we'll see you later. We'll see them later. We'll see them later. Aspen, speak.